It's a new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Standout looks, standout capabilities, so you can stand out on the job site. It comes with great features you love. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, auto-dimming mirrors, air conditioning, mirror-mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments, massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.